So again, we're talking about collaboration, the interpreter becoming part of the educational team. So Sophia, could you speak to some ways that the educational team can include the interpreter in that collaboration?
Yeah, like you said, there's so many team members. There's a part of the students' academic team. There's the teachers, audiologists, the therapists, counselors, all of the ones that are involved. So interpreters also, um, we can benefit from them, and vice versa, they can benefit from from the knowledge that we have. But I personally, I respect those positions, and I welcome feedback from them. I welcome it because I want my student to excel, but I also want to be effective interpreter.
We are happy to be a resource for what we are knowledgeable about as well.
Mhm.
And so that's why we want to become part of that educational team because we can share our insight to help the team as a whole make the best decisions for the students and set goals specific to them.
Get access to more resources and updates by subscribing now at lafsls.com, and don't forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram for more content.